Most srácok, megérkeztünk Cuencába. Megyünk a belváros fele. És hívjuk fel Conradot, lássuk merre van, mert külön jöttünk. Mi drónozgattunk és ő előre haladt. Lássuk, hol találunk valami szállást, utána meg nézzük meg, hogy is ajánl nekünk ez a Cuenca. Azt mondják, nagyon szép a város, így amit mi látunk idáig, nem olyan gyönyörű, de valószínű, hogy majd a központ, a belváros az szebb lesz. Na, majd mutassuk később. Sziasztok!
Sziasztok!
Hi guys!
Hello!
We arrived to
In Cuenca. We are in Cuenca.
We arrived to Cuenca after a very long day. Everybody scam us today with the food, with the accommodation, with everything. But
Public
now,
holiday.
yeah, it's Días les Todos Muertos, no?
See.
That was yesterday and today.
No, it's today.
No.
Here
They
it's
keep it today.
today, 1st and the 2nd of November.
Yeah, they
2
combine
days,
it.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah.
And so today is the Días les Todos Muertos, the dead people's day, and everything is super expensive. We hardly find accommodation below $100 per room, which is exorbitant for Ecuador, no?
It is, but it is
In Quito we stayed with 25 per night, and now it's 100
also
per
we've
night.
been in the
And
center.
we are in front of the church. Now we go to pray to have a better dinner. Now, so
no complaining. Let's enjoy Cuenca.
yeah.
Yeah.
So join us, guys.
Stick
We're gonna show
around.
you how it's Cuenca. Ciao.